Need a compact powerhouse that handles gaming and creative workloads with ease? BOSGAME Mini PC for gaming and editing delivers fast performance, smooth multitasking, stunning graphics, and reliable speed for video editing, streaming, and modern gaming. Perfect for creators and gamers wanting desktop-level power in a space-saving design. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. BOSGAME P3 Ultra Mini PC. The BOSGAME P3 Ultra Mini PC is an excellent compact desktop built for professionals and multitaskers who need dependable speed without taking up much desk space. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 7730U processor, it delivers smooth performance for daily productivity tasks, content editing, and even light gaming. The 16GB DDR4 DDR RAM combined with the spacious 1TB NVMe SSD ensures quick boot times, responsive application launches, and enough storage for large files, projects, and media libraries. Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2 further improve convenience with fast wireless performance. The Whisper Quiet cooling system keeps the unit running efficiently without unnecessary noise. For users seeking a balanced mini PC for productivity, streaming, and moderate creative workloads, the BOSGAME P3 Ultra offers strong value and reliable performance in a compact package.
Number 2. KAMRUI Hyper H2 Mini PC.
The KAMRUI Hyper H2 Mini PC stands out as a powerful mini desktop designed for users who need desktop-level performance in a compact form factor. Equipped with the Intel Core i5-14450HX processor, this machine delivers exceptional speed for demanding tasks such as software development, compiling projects, multitasking, and content creation. Its impressive 32GB DDR4 RAM ensures smooth operation even when running multiple applications or virtual machines simultaneously, while the 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD offers fast storage performance and excellent responsiveness. Connectivity is another highlight, with USB-C, multiple USB 3.2 ports, HDMI, DisplayPort, and reliable Wi-Fi 6 support. Bluetooth 5.2 ensures seamless pairing with wireless accessories. For users who need a future-ready compact PC for intensive workloads, the KAMRUI Hyper H2 provides excellent performance, strong multitasking capability, and great overall value.
Number 3. GMKtec M5 Ultra Gaming Mini PC. The GMKtec M5 Ultra Gaming Mini PC offers a strong combination of performance, compact design, and versatility, making it a practical option for work and casual gaming. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 7730U processor, it handles multitasking, office applications, streaming, and light gaming with ease. The included 32GB DDR4 dual-channel RAM provides excellent responsiveness, allowing multiple applications to run smoothly without lag. Its 512GB PCIe SSD delivers fast boot speeds and excellent storage access, while expansion support gives users room to upgrade storage as needed. The dual 2.5G LAN ports are especially useful for users building small servers or network-focused workstations. Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2 add strong wireless connectivity as well. The GMKtec M5 Ultra is a well-rounded mini PC for professionals and home users looking for dependable everyday performance. Number 4. BOSGAME P3 Mini PC. The BOSGAME P3 Mini PC is a high-performance, compact desktop built for demanding users who need serious power in a small footprint. Featuring the AMD Ryzen 7 6800H processor and Radeon 680M graphics, it delivers impressive speed for multitasking, video editing, creative applications, and even more demanding gaming experiences. The inclusion of 32GB DDR5 RAM gives it a clear performance advantage for memory-intensive tasks, while the 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD ensures lightning-fast loading times and excellent storage capacity. One of its standout features is USB 4.0 support, enabling ultra-fast data transfer, external GPU compatibility, and flexible workstation expansion. Dual 2.5 GBE LAN connectivity provides excellent networking performance for business environments, home labs, or advanced streaming setups. Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2 ensure strong wireless performance as well. The BOSGAME P3 is a powerful mini desktop that combines speed, expandability, and premium connectivity, making it ideal for users seeking desktop-class performance in a sleek, compact system.
Number 5. GMKtec AI Ultra 9 Mini PC. The GMKtec AI Ultra 9 Mini PC is a premium, compact desktop designed for users who demand top-tier performance for advanced workloads. Powered by the Intel Core Ultra 9 285H processor, it offers exceptional processing power for heavy multitasking, professional editing, rendering, and high-performance computing tasks. The integrated Intel Arc graphics deliver solid visual performance, making it capable of handling modern gaming, video editing, and media-intensive applications with confidence. Its massive 64GB DDR5 RAM ensures smooth multitasking, even under demanding workloads, while the large PCIe 4.0 SSD provides rapid data access and substantial storage capacity. Advanced connectivity options further enhance its functionality for professional environments. With cutting-edge specifications and strong upgrade potential, the GMKtec AI Ultra 9 is an outstanding choice for power users seeking a future-proof mini PC capable of handling intensive tasks efficiently. Like the video? Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.